Good morning friends, this is your friend Kiran and today I am gonna reviewing a great book which is Secret of Millionaire Mind. And this is an awesome book. Why I am telling you that? Because most of the time we think that we both are from the same family background, same friends, same surrounding, and most importantly same school. Still he is successful one and I am not, because of our mindset only. They have that mindset, they have that mentality, yes they are gonna achieve it, and we just thought that it's not our mistake, I'm telling you, because in our family, in our society we always hear मेरे पास कोई पैसे का पेड़ नहीं लगा है, या फिर जितनी चादर है उतना ही पैर पसारो. We just heard those kind of things only, and it's just registered in our subconscious mind, and because of which we are not have that kind of wider mindset, that kind of belief that yes I also become a successful one. In this book it's just as much as like secret book, because in this book first you have to believe yes you can achieve anything in your life. Why you are not gonna achieve it? Like I have my best family, I have my friends, I have my colleagues, I have I'm just managing I think everything so well, even my health, my fitness, everything. So why you are not, guys? You can. One thing you have to believe, and in this book there are a lot of things that how a successful person you become, how you can become a rich one. And these are not the rules only, these are laws. Yani laws are applicable in everywhere. So you just can apply it everywhere, most importantly in your lives. So first thing you have to believe, yes you can achieve it, and definitely you're gonna achieve it. Second thing, you just have to you just have to think that admire. Yes, the most important thing in this book I just read is admire. Yeah, what we think that he is rich one, definitely he did something very wrong, he had indulged in any criminal activities, that's why he is successful one. And we become like little haters for them, that's why we are not successful one. If we hate something, that how it can become in our lives. So you have to be very admire one. Yes, they really work very hard, that's why they are successful ones. We just saw so many people that they have a great family, they have a great achievement, they have a great success, they have a great reputation in our society. How they gonna achieve it? Because they believe yes I can achieve everything. We don't need to choose on like poor can choose only one thing, this one or that one. But successful people or the rich people mindset said that yes I want everything, I want both. So you just have that kind of thinking. And most important thing that you have to believe you have a good receiver. I just love this book because in this book I have given a great value of being good receiver. You have to be a good receiver in your life, then only you can achieve anything. But first you have to be a good receiver. If you are not hating something and want you to be in your life, it can't become. So you have to just appreciate the good people, the rich people, the successful ones. Secondly, you have a good receiver. Third, you are bigger than your problems. Okay, you are bigger than your problems. Always just know that you are bigger than your problems. Rich people know that I am bigger than that stupid or that little one problems. But the poor people thought that it's such a big problem, and he or they are gonna stuck with that particular problem and not even think twice to just how I can be just get rid of these kind of problems. But successful people have their own mindset that yes I can be just away from this kind of stupid things. I have to think twice, and their mind gave them suggestions that how they can come out from that particular kind of situation. So you just always have faith in God, and definitely God will give you so many ideas to just get out from those problems. Everybody has their problems in their lives, but everyone has a different mindset to deal with that particular kind of behavior or that particular kind of problem. So this point is also an awesome point. Secondly, you just have to know that you can achieve everything, not you have to choose like poor ones, this or that only. Okay, you can achieve everything. And the third thing is you have to take risk. Yes, you have to take risk. All the successful peoples, all the rich peoples have took risk in their lives. You are not stupid ones that you are going to took a big risk in your life. It must be a calculative risk. Yes, whatever the risk you are taking, it must be calculative, and you must know the consequences of it, and you know it's a positive side as well as negative sides. So you have to take big risks. Definitely, it must be calculative. And the most important thing is you have to be come out from your comfort zone. Successful people, rich people are working 24/7. Their mind are working 24/7. So you have to be that committed, because it's your responsibility to successful. Then only your society, your country gonna proud on you. So it's very important that you have to be committed for your success. Okay, and the last point which I want to tell you from this book is, please appreciate, please admire, please love on all those things which you want to be in your life. Then only you be a good receiver. You should always think कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम से ज़्यादा बड़े आप हैं. Then only you can be able to find all the possible outcomes from that particular kind of problem. So it's an awesome book. I just love this book. There are a lot of other points there for which you have to read this book. So thank you very much, friends. Wish you wealth.